If you want to learn how to read blueprints, check this out. This is a foundation plan, and what you'll notice about this plan is you've probably never seen a plan that looks like this. But look at this. You see these symbols? See, it's color-coded, right? See the green? Look at how this foundation detail is. This is your footing. You can look right here where it says 10 inches. This is a 10-inch thick footing by 24 inches wide. This is what your block and your brick foundation rest on. It tells you exactly how this wall detail is made up. First, you've got your footing, then you've got your 12-inch block, then you've got this 8-inch block. See this right here? This is called an 8-inch L block. You see the shape of it? It's shaped like an L. Then you've got your brick, then your concrete gets poured over into the L block. Now, this type of wall setup, where all on the foundation plan is this wall detail going to be? This is the reason why you see the green color here. And see on this plan, see this green shading? It tells you exactly which walls are made up this way. Wall, as you see, is yellow, is totally different in how it's built on site than the wall that's shaded in green. And then when you come out here to the garage, your garage walls are built totally different than the walls that are green and yellow. So how are they made up? Look at this detail. You see this wall that's shaded blue? Just simply go over here to this detail where it's shaded blue. This is your siding wall, garage exterior. You've got your footing here. You've got your block work here. And the difference on this wall is that you've got brick on the outside of the wall and you've got brick on the inside of the wall, and it tells you exactly how this wall is made up. So if you want to know how this wall is going to be laid out and built, just simply go over here and look at your detail. You see this wall here? This is the wall between your porch and your house. Front porch, rear porch. You see these are shaded in a yellow color. Well, over here on our plan, we got a representation showing the shade of yellow, and you've got your footing, you've got your 12-inch block, and then you've got another course of 12-inch block. But now you can see how your concrete comes and rests on 4 inches of this 12-inch wall. Zoom in right there. You see from here to there, that's 4 inches. So your concrete comes over and it rests on that 4-inch, and that's what it looks like on the floor plan. But when you come over here, that 4 inches is actually from here to there. And then that's where your exterior wall comes up. You've got an 8-inch block wall where when you come to this side, your concrete runs over and stops right here on this 8-inch block wall, which is right here. This 8-inch block wall, it goes right there and fits into that pocket. And that's what that wall looks like. So when you look down here, we go even a step further where we have it where it says wall type. You can see the symbol, and it tells you a description also of how each wall is built.